Welcome back to Science Sketches. If you're ready to explore the unseen forces shaping our universe, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Today, we're diving into the mysterious realms of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is the invisible glue holding galaxies together. Though we can't see it, its presence is undeniable. Scientists discovered it when they noticed galaxies spinning faster than they should, as if some hidden mass was adding extra gravity. Think of dark matter as the scaffolding of the universe, forming a cosmic web that galaxies cling to. Without it, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. But here's the kicker. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, while the stuff we can see, stars, planets, and us, accounts for just 5%. Mind-blowing, right? And then there's dark energy, an even greater mystery. It's a force driving the universe to expand faster and faster. Imagine throwing a ball into the air only to have it accelerate upward instead of falling back down. That's what's happening on a cosmic scale. Dark energy makes up a staggering 68% of the universe, yet we know almost nothing about it. Is it a new kind of energy field, a property of space itself, or something even stranger? Scientists are racing to uncover the truth. Dark matter and dark energy remind us how much there is left to discover about the universe. Like this video if you're as intrigued as we are, and join Science Sketches for more explorations into the unknown.